Oh, hello there, and thanks for joining Uncomplicated Math today. Today we're going to be looking at how to find the perimeter of a triangle. And by the end of this video, you'll know the steps involved in finding the perimeter of each of the different types of triangles. So let's get started. So in question number 1, we're being asked to find the perimeter of this green triangle. And whenever you hear the term perimeter, I want you to think about the distance around a shape or an object. So if we're being asked to find the perimeter of the green triangle in question number 1, we're being asked to find the distance around that green triangle. So now looking over to the right-hand side here under our steps involved, we can see that the first step to finding the perimeter of a triangle is to add together the distances of all sides. So in question number 1, we can see that each side is 5 centimeters. So we need to add 5 plus 5 plus 5. And when we add together 5 plus 5 plus 5, we get 15. But now we're not quite finished here because as we can see in step number 2, we need to make sure that we're including our unit of measurement, which we can see up above is centimeters. So the distance around this green triangle or the perimeter is 15 centimeters. So now let's give this a try for question number 2, where we have a triangle that has two different lengths. And just because we have some sides that have different lengths doesn't change the steps involved. We are still going to start with step number 1, where we're going to add together the distances of all the sides. So we're going to add 35 plus 35 plus 10. And when we add 35 plus 35 plus 10, we get 80. But remembering our last step here, we need to make sure that we include our unit of measurement, and we can see that our original unit of measurement here was meters, so the perimeter of this red triangle here is 80 meters. So hopefully by now you understand the steps involved in finding the perimeter of a triangle. Help make math less complicated by smashing those like and subscribe buttons. As always, enjoy today's math journey.